Hello everybody, my name is Gino and welcome to Chipper and Sons Lumber & Co. This is a game made by the same creator as Five Nights at Freddy's. But this was actually made way before Five Nights at Freddy's. This was made in 2013 and Five Nights at Freddy's was made in 2014. So way before Five Nights at Freddy's. So we got start a new game, slot 1, and now let's play. Okay. Well, little Tyke, the dance. Okay. Let me know what you think of my triple voice as well. Well, later, Jack. Well, Jack, the day's come. Not the beginning of the summer, or you're coming of age. But me throwing you out in your furry, on your furry ear. That is a furry ear. By the time I was your age, I was blinded building dams, cutting trees, and blowing up termites now. Some people might have been saying that Chipper was scary. He doesn't look scary, he looks cute. The war with the termites has scarred all famine and disease death. None of those things happened, but it still sounds pretty awful, doesn't it? It might happen. And if a meteor were to hit, so never trust a termite. So never trust a termite. They might have a meteor. Now get out of there and make me proud. I'm giving you a hole and land right out of our cabin. Plant trees, cut trees, build stuff. Whole beaver routine. You will get the hang of it. Show me what you can do, and I'll give you more land in blue, and more blue is to build cooler stuff. Go to the right of our camp and to see one the acre of a link. Go to the left to visit the other weirdos or creatures of the forest. I'll give you this walkie-talkie, so stay in touch with me. Press the button when you see it flashing. Off you go. Okay. Please wait. Please wait. Okay. Why don't you try finding the tree? And jumping it down. Okay, go. Nom. Oh shoot, I'm stuck. After you gather a bit more, bring it back to me and I'll make crumbles. Nom. I think that's Chipper talking. Or wait a minute, am I playing as Chipper? I think that's Mr. Chipper, and I'm Chipper. Okay. Welcome back, kiddo. If you're bringing me the war that you gather, that I'll make it into lumber for you. Oh, okay, I got lumber. Bag. I should say I have some lumber. Okay, yes I do, so. What's this place right here? Okay, so. Test. I did plan to try. No. Get the stuff. No. Get ricocheted off the moon. Off the moon. Nom. So I think wood is money in this game. Okay, so I think wood is money in this game. Termite! There's a termite right there. Oh! I think I have to water the termites to get rid of them. Oh! I think that's what I have to do. So if I see a termite, I need to water it. Okay. Richwood. That's amazing. No. Oh my god. Water? Say weed at all kids, because your parents might be the one that people smoke, and it's bad. Also, never do drugs. They're very stupid. There is a very nemesis of Rose Spring. How dreadful. Yes, over and I go way back. Did you know that one? Sorry, that was very long. Okay, wait, what is this? We hear that there are some of you who want very valuable supplies. I don't have anything. Ah! Where is the termite? Where's the termite? Termite. Die, termite. Die, termite, die! none of this. It's with termites. Also, never trust a termite, really. Eat you! No, no, no! No, eat you. Oh, wait, what? Lumber butt? Tiki leaves, okay. I need to get a lumber butt. A beaver point. How do I get beaver point? Okay, shop. Do I have to use wood to buy stuff? Hold on. Get coins. Oh my god! Really? Really? Oh, okay. Get back to the application and oh no, I forgot to save. Or do you have to save? Oh my god, I think I have to save. I think I have to save. Hold on. Do I? Oh, some things, you know. Die. I'll never eat my stuff. Redwood. A minigame. Okay, start. Jump. Now! Lost. This is literally... What? Okay, actually, I need to get out. Okay. I'm running out of time, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you want to. Like the video, comment down below, and support this channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.